planning to work in Croatia in 2023, it's crucial to understand the process of obtaining a work permit for this beautiful country. This video is here to guide you through each step, ensuring you're well equipped to make your move. From eligibility criteria to the application process, we've got it all covered. So, whether you're fascinated by Croatia's rich history, stunning landscapes, or potential job opportunities, we're here to help make your transition as smooth as possible. Stay tuned to get the full process of obtaining a Croatia work permit visa. First things first, are you eligible for a Croatia work permit visa? Let's look into the specifics. The eligibility criteria for this visa is quite straightforward. You must be of legal age, which in Croatia is 18 years old. It's also important that you possess certain skills or qualifications that are in demand in the Croatian job market. So if you're a skilled worker, this could be your ticket in. Next is health. You need to be in good health, and this is usually confirmed through a medical examination. Don't worry, it's a standard procedure and nothing too daunting. Lastly, let's talk about your criminal record. To be eligible, you should ideally have a clean slate. Croatia is keen on maintaining a safe environment for its residents, so any serious criminal history could pose a problem. Remember, these are general guidelines and the specifics might vary. Now that you're aware of the eligibility criteria, let's move to the application process. Now, on to the crucial part. How do you apply for a Croatia work permit visa? Let's break it down step by step. Firstly, you need to gather all the necessary documents. This includes your passport, proof of employment in Croatia, and proof of accommodation. Make sure you have both original and copied documents, as you'll need to submit both. Next, you need to fill out the application form. Ensure you fill it out accurately, as any mistakes can lead to a delay or even rejection of your application. After submitting the form, you'll need to pay the application fee. The amount varies, so check the latest fee structure on the official website. Once everything is submitted, you'll enter the waiting period. This can take anywhere from a few weeks to a few months. It's crucial to be patient and wait for official communication. With these steps, you're well on your way to getting your Croatia work permit visa. So, what have we learned today? We've looked into the eligibility criteria for Croatia's work permit visa and walked through the application process. Remember, requirements may vary, so it's paramount to verify details on Croatia's official government website for precise, up-to-date information. This way, you can avoid potential hiccups and streamline your journey towards working in Croatia. And that's it! You're now equipped with the knowledge to obtain a Croatia work permit visa in 2023. Best of luck with your application. Thank you for joining us on this journey today. If this guide lit the path for you, do give us a thumbs up. And for more travel insights, hit that subscribe button and join the Travel Evia community. Got questions or personal experiences to share? We'd love to hear them in the comments below. Embarking on your journey shouldn't be daunting. If you need guidance or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Here's how you can contact us. If you're looking for more travel tips and advice, check out these other videos. We've curated a range of topics to help you navigate the world of travel with ease. With Travel Evia, your Schengen dreams are one step closer. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.